for now, we are doing her homework in mathematics. So, can you please read?
Look, the eggs are hatched. Ready. Let us count them. This is the mommy's.
Wait ha, let's see kung tama siya. Look, the eggs are hatched already. Let us count them. Okay. So, here are the questions. Okay. You count first the eggs that are hatched. Count it all.
Look, bakit nabasa?
Kasi hindi ka dapat dito
Kasi
kumakain.
guys, kumakain ako.
Mababasa talaga. Avoid it.
Mag-early merienda ako guys kasi kakagaling ko lang sa school eh.
Snack na jelly ace. Oh, wag ka dyan. Sige, finish that first.
Look,
Kasi it's sticky.
guys, it's purple.
Dali, you go na there. And then you wash your hands. Sticky yun, di ba? Yung pinaka kumakatas. Then wash your hands first. Come on. While we put the trash in the trash bin. All of it. Then wash your hands, ha? Okay. Group the eggs by tens. Circle them. Okay. How many tens and how many ones? Wow. Isang page lang naman. Dry your hands. Hindi mo pwedeng ihawak dito yan. Dry there. Doon sa ref. Come on. Count the eggs hatch.
1, 2,
Here. Dito pa tayo. Mamaya pa tayo dyan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 28.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Okay, then, sabi sa question, how many eggs are hatched? Oh, you write the number 28.
Where's the pencil?
Here. Ayusin ang pagsulat, ha? Here. And then, group the eggs by tens. Oh, count tens and then circle it. Siguro pa ganun. I'll show you, ha? Ito kasing dalawa is A8. So, you need this like this.
Because rows and columns are different.
Ayan, look how I did it. Oh, you count
1,
it
2,
niya?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Okay, very good. Sige na. And then the next one, this one, oh, you group by 10 again. Up. You need this too. Diba? So, diretso mo yung papunta doon. Pag ganon. Up. Look at me. Diba I did 2, 4? So, you need this too. Up.
Paano ba?
Ano ka ito? Hanggang dito lang, oh.
Hanggat dito lang.
Ayusin mo, close mo siya. Good, close mo dito. Abutin mo din. Ito, sumubuyot. Okay, good. So, how many are left? I think it will not be exact for 10. So, how many are
1, 2,
left?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, it's kulang na. So, you don't need to circle it. So, the question is, how many tens you did? 1. How many tens yan?
2.
2. You write it. And how many ones?
1.
How many ones? Ilan itong
2.
natira? Hindi, ito natira. Diba yung counted it? Ones na yan.
8.
Okay, very good. eggs are getting hatched. Look again. Group by tens, then count by tens. Naku, ang hirap mag-groupings. Ang hirap niya i-groupings.
Alam ko na!
Ah, ito pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5.
Ten!
Okay. Ayan, group mo siyang pag ganun pala. Madali pala.
Oh, diba? Diba?
Ayan, sige. Ayusin mo ha. Very good. Are you sure it's ano? It's all 10?
Ah,
Okay. Yan.
1, 2, 3. Kakaiba lang sila kasi baka yung iba, sinama lang nila yung mami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tama ka, tama.
Tapos,
Kaya huwag mong diinan. Right,
slowly,
soft. So, ano yung tawag doon?
softly.
Write gently. Sige. Huwag mo didiinan. Mas bubutas talaga yung book mo. Pag mga bata kasi no, gigil, para ang din magsulat. You're right
Kulang na.
naman. So, how many tens did you make?
5!
Okay, write 5. Next one.
How many ones?
How many?
3!
Okay, good. Mhm.
How many eggs get
Are
hatched?
getting hatched. Dito ka lang, tapos na tayo dito. So, yeah, i-add mo yan. All in all, how many yan?
53!
Very good. Good job. Okay. You write 53. Here. 53. Good job, Arella. Now, we're done in mathematics.
Yay!
Good job. Fast learner naman yung si Arella. Thumbs up.